Hello, welcome back to my video. In this video, I will talk about the standard access list. The standard access list is ACL. We call the ACL function as packet filtering, determines whether a packet can measure or not. So we can blocking or pass the package. The standard access list can only do filtering based on IP host or IP network source only. In the standard access list, use ACL number 1 until 99. The configure as close to the destination as possible. So we will configure the configuration in the router. The router the close to the destination possible. So we will take a topology after this. Direction in and out are determined based on the direction of the package from the source to the destination. So network topology, the purpose of the lab. If we want to limit the PC from the AP 10.10.10.10 network is 0.0 and prefix is 24. Network not allowed access the IP web server by using the standard access list. So we will block the network 10.0 and we will make sure the PC can ping the web server first, and here is the step-by-step configuration. 1. Creating a topology. 2. We will configure IP address, and 3. We will configure routing protocol. We will use the protocol OSPF. We has learned OSPF in the previous video. And 4 is ACL configuration steps. So here we go. We will create the topology for the access list. This is the topology, and we connected with the automatic cable. This switch connected with the 2 PC and router 1 connected with the router 2 connected with the web server. Okay, here we go. We can fast forward time. Okay, so this is the router 1, this is the router 2. And IP for this computer is 10.10.10.0. Prefix is 24, and this is the 10.10.10.3. Prefix is 24. And this 10.10.10.1. Prefix is 24. And for this interface connected with the router 2 is 12.12.1. Prefix is 24. The router 2 and this 20.3. And okay, here we go. Okay, so we put on the router 1. For the interface 1 of interface 0.0, enable configure terminal, and we get in the interface 0/0, we put on the interface, no shutdown, then we put the IP address, no. Okay, then we get the interface, fast internet 0/1, no shutdown, and we put the IP address 12.12.1. Okay, we move the router 2 to the router 2, then we know enable configure terminal, then we get the interface 0/0, no shutdown, then we put the IP address, then we get the interface 0/1, shutdown, then we get the interface IP address. Okay, so we has like the step 1 creating topology, and the step 2 is complete, the configure IP address. Then we move to the step 3, configure routing protocol. Okay, we put the routing protocol SPF in router 1 and 2. The router 1 we exit, no, then router SPF number ID is 1, then we get the network is 10.0, the subnet mask 155.0, and the area is 0. Then second network is 12.0, the subnet mask is 155.0, the area is 0. Okay, we move the router 2, we exit router 2, router OSPF number 1, the network 1 is 12.0, subnet mask is the area 0. Then second network is 2020.0, subnet mask is same, the area is 0. Okay, we put in IP address form for the computer, IP configuration is 10.2, the subnet mask is 0.0, the computer 2 is 7.3, the subnet mask is 0.0. Okay, we move to the web server, the config service, where is the IP? Okay, then desktop IP configuration 2020.2 255.0. Okay, we have done to the OSPF adjective process ID number NECPER 20.1, the fast Ethernet 0/1 from the loading to full loading done. The OSPF is active for the router 1 and 2 is connected each other. So we move to the step 4. What is the step 4? We put the configuration step for the access list protocol. Okay, there is, but before that we will testing to ping command prompt ping the router first, point 1. It's reply success. Then we ping the router 2. Okay, then we have next step in IP address. We get the default gateway is the router 1 like this, and the router 2 like this. So if we done, we ping again the router 1, reply success. The router 2 is 12.2. It's reply success. Then router 2, but the interface connected with the web server 2020.1. It's reply. Then for the computer, we will ping the web server. Ping 2020. Are disconnected or not? We will know now. Point 2. Okay, then not yet, because the web server don't have the default gateway. The default gateway is the router 2 with connected with the web server is the 20.1 like this. So we try again. This is a reply from the web server. So the next step, we will block the package from network 10.0 this. Okay, the configuration is simple. Okay, there is configuration. Access list 1 deny, we block the IP 10.0. The wildcard is 000.255. The access list 1 is permit any. So we get the access list for the interface close with the web server. So with the server is router 2. So in this router we will configure the configuration access list 1. We deny first. We block the IP network 10.0 like this. And the second is access list 1. We permit any. So we block this IP and we get the permission for all IP but not the 10.0. So example, we will get ping from the router 1. The ping point 2. This is a success, but if we ping from the computer, we will fail. Ping 3 pi, success. Okay, the next step is we get the interface 01 is this interface. Okay, we get the next step. We put in the interface whatever you want. You can get in the interface 0 plus 0 or 0 plus 1 in this interface. I will get the interface 0 slash 1. We connected the our server is 0 plus 1 like this, and we put the configure IP access group 1 out. IP access group 1 is the meaning is 1 is the one we created before. If you create with the different example, you create accesses 10, then you put the configure IP access group 10. So this is the odd. Why? Because I get in the interface connected with the server. So from this interface perspective, this get the out order. If you get in this interface 0 slash 0, so you will comment in, because the package is in from this interface. Okay, like this. So we'll try again. You can see this. Before we have reply from the 1020.2, but now we don't have it. Reply from 12. We ping the 20, but the reply from the 12.2 is this IP. We cannot communicate with the 20.1 or 0.2. So we stop in interface 0 slash 0 from the router 2. The IP is 12.2 and destination host unreachable. We don't have connected with the host we call it. So we try from the router 1. This is success. Why? Because the router 1 have IP 12.1. So the router 1 get ping from this IP, not this IP. So that's all. Maybe I think if you have a question, you can comment in this comment below. So now we have simple topology from the access list. Okay guys, as I say, thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video.